everybody, Gregory Rice here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and today I have 2 pointers for you on hiring a property manager. Now at some point, at one point or another, you're going to be knee-deep in water or perhaps have a tenant that's not paying and you're going to just have enough with the rental property. And that's when you turn it over to a property manager. But before you do that, consider these 2 questions that you must ask when hiring someone. The first one is, what are your hours? Now, if a property manager closes at 5 p.m. Monday to Friday and is closed on the weekends, they're probably not the right fit for you because your property is a 24/7, 365 operation. The second question is, how are you going to communicate with me? Now, a phone call may seem nice, however, it's a very inefficient method for your property manager. If they're calling their hundreds of clients and hundreds of tenants every time something happens, they're never going to be tending to the issues that matter most to you because they're going to be on the phone. So you want a property manager that has some type of digital portal where you can check in, post a comment, check your balance, and even view your statements. So once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.